Dwi'n mwynhau bod yn y cynhadledd yma. Mae mor diddorol i clywed o'r gwahanol esgobaethau. Yn aml iawn fel vicar, dyn ni'n gwybod beth sy'n digwydd yn ein esgobaeth ni, ond yma dwi wedi bod yn dysgu am sut dyn ni'n gallu gyfalu am clerigwyr, ond dyn ni'n edrych ar y pwnc o les a fel gwlad a beth sy'n digwydd yn gwahanol esgobaethau. Felly bod wedi diddorol iawn i ffindio mas yr cymorth sydd ar gael a'r gwahanol strategaethau sydd yn eu lle yn barod.
Hello there, my name is Alex and I'm Director of Ordinance and Director of Ministry for Bangor Diocese, and basically those roles encompass everything that's on this board here behind you. It's a little bit of everything. And on that, well, you'll see Clergy Wellbeing, and we're talking in this conference particularly about well-being on the whole and just how important it is in ministry. And I feel that it's important because the world at large throws so many things at us that actually we too can just be bogged down with all of that. And things like well-being and looking at how we can care for our own mental health and physical health and spiritual health is so important, because it's a fabulous role that we're doing. It really is. It's such a joyful role that we need to care for ourselves as well as for other people that we care for.